vlog series. In this week, you will see that I had my most stressful week yet. I am complete, total stress ball this week. I am currently working on passion projects that I care so deeply about, and I want it to be that great, and it ends up taking the best of me. I end up breaking out in the eczema rash because of my high stress, but this is a competition, and I gotta get back on my horse, and I still gotta ride. I honestly feel kind of defeated. I was expecting Monday to crush it and start off the week well, but that didn't happen today. And I am gonna do a lot better next week. I think maybe I put all my energy into deadlifts and the other ones not so much. I just want to just do better next week. That's it.
Hey.
What's up?
Close your eyes and open your mouth. Okay. Take a look.
Chocolate bars. This is very thoughtful, guys. I get two?
Yes, they're both for you.
A break, you know, you were a little stressed out.
I was really stressed out.
Mr. Ryan around here.
Yeah.
We'd cheer you up a little bit.
Oh man, this is awesome. Thanks, guys. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. We are about to catch the sunrise. I say, God, I caught the sunrise. Okay, obviously I haven't...
Something sunrise.
Something sunrise. Obviously I haven't woken up yet, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. We're with Daisy right now. We're on our usual trail, and you got some lilac color skies. I'm not sure you could see it in the background. Oh my goodness. The sun's just hitting me from my right side right now, and it's so pretty. Oh man, I feel good. I'm glad to be alive today. Yesterday was a little rough, really stressful with work. We're gonna have those days. I am happy. I feel a new sense of strength today for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I'll take it and I'm running with it.
Okay, so you get the fat from the butter, and that mixes in and kind of soaks into the broccolini, and then you use a really good salt like fleur de sel, and then a really good kind of cracked pepper on there. When it's kind of charred and cooked down a little bit, it's still crunchy. It's not like wilty and soggy or anything like that. A lot of depth in one simple broccolini dish. Really good.
It is 6:30-ish in the evening, and Ryan and I are about to have our first meal. It's been a crazy day. It's been a crazy week. Haven't done a whole lot of vlogging today. Been shooting, working nonstop, but we are so hungry, ready to eat our first meal. It's actually at a Lebanese place. It's called Wally's Cafe. So let's check it out.
Look at this amazingness. This is a combo plate: chicken shawarma, beef shawarma, baba ganoush, tzatziki sauce, and a Greek salad.
Plate. I got the lamb kebabs and I got the kefta. The kefta is a patty of different meats and mince, vegetables and spices. So
Yeah,
I'm
looks
so
good.
excited.
It's good.
That's great. Really good. I'm gonna try some of this. Baba ganoush is the eggplant.
Baba ganoush.
Oh my
okay.
gosh. That's awesome. Okay, let's try the salad because I've been craving something really fresh. This is the Greek salad here.
Man, my mouth is watering, waiting to eat while I film you.
Well, you're gonna have to wait a little bit more because I'm going into this lamb here. Oh man. Okay, that lamb wins. That lamb is phenomenal.
The lamb
I like
wins.
that better. You could eat now, baby.
I'm drooling.
This place is bomb diggity. The owner was hanging out with us. He was explaining everything, and I love their service. Definitely 5 stars across the board. Is cooking us dinner tonight, and he made these hamburger buns here. They just came straight out of the oven. They smell so good. That's really good. That's gonna be perfect for a hamburger bun because you could see here it's gonna hold really well. You can see that texture. It's not gonna fall apart. I feel like I have a baby burger compared to everybody's burger.
You do have a baby burger compared to everybody else.
My baby burger. Oh man.
Keto.
You guys killed it. Oh my god. It is Saturday morning. I'm about to upload our Rebel Creamery ice cream review. We are heading out to do camping. We are at a little town outside of our campsite called Strawberry, and they have a population of 8. And we're at a restaurant, and the only thing they have on their menu, because they are closing this week, is pizza. And I'm only going to be eating the toppings off of it. You gotta do what you gotta do. I am going through a flare-up right now, an eczema flare-up, and it's happening because I'm stressing a whole lot. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to find ways to just unwind and relax a little bit more this week, whether it be taking more walks or whether it be meditation. Stress is damaging physically and mentally.
Week 5, there's not a whole lot of changes here. As you could see, I'm still in the 115 range as far as my weight goes, and my body fat overall, I am down 0.4%, so about half a percent. And you could really tell in the mirror that I am down in body fat composition wise. Let's take a look at the trends here. Let's go to the weight. All right, so weight, I am again in the 115, not really concerned about that. Body fat, I am down. That's awesome. Only down by 0.1 though, but I definitely see a difference in the mirror. That's where it matters to me. Skeletal muscle here, I am up 0.1. This is really just a check-in. I do this because it's good to see data, it's good to check in, but what I'm really relying on is how I look, and I'll show you here in the next clips that I am definitely leaning out, I'm toning out. Body composition is there. It's not there in the numbers, but it's definitely there in the mirror.
Okay, week 5. This is what week 5 looks like. As you can see, I am rounding out my shoulders here. My arms are getting more tone. Losing quite a bit of body fat around this area here. And my quads are coming in. Moving forward to week 6, I'm going to be doing 2 things. A little bit different here. I am going to be, 1, eliminating dairy. My eczema is pretty sensitive to that. If I have too much of it, coupled with number 2, stress, it does flare up. I'm looking into a yoga studio to practice, so hopefully that helps out with that. I will see you guys in week 6. That concludes week 5. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and also ring that notification bell too if you want to be notified on future tippy tales. And all of my socials are linked down below if you want to give me a follow. And I love hearing back from you, so drop me a comment down below. And as always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude, even on our hard weeks. We will see you in week 6, halfway point.